Are you tired of cheap plastic power strips that melt under a heavy load? Check this out. This is a dedicated 20 amp full metal body power strip that will survive your heavy use, the dropping, the tripping over it, the heavy draw tools that we all love to use. This is absolutely designed for that. Check out this giant 12 gauge wire. How freaking cool is this thing, and massive. So this is also one of those pluses and minuses I need to tell you about. So the fact that this is this giant heavy gauge is amazing, makes it so it doesn't heat up when you're using it and using those high draw tools, but it also makes it a little stiff and a little heavy to manage and work with. And then the other thing I want you to know, this is really designed to work with a dedicated 20 amp plug. So if you're going to try to plug this into your regular 15 amp wall plug, it's not going to work. You have to make sure you have a dedicated 20 amp system with that sideways plug there. So now the plugs here themselves are reverse compatible, right? You could put regular plugs in here, or if you have pieces of equipment that have that 20 amp plug, they will go in here just fine. Another one of those nice features is that it has an indicator light that it is a protected circuit, as well as grounded. Separate lights for those so you know what's going on with your system. It's got a really flexible mounting system if you want to mount it on your wall, and it has that ETL rating, which is very good. I'd rather see it have a UL rating, but if you're not going to have the UL rating, at least it does have a legit ETL rating. In the end, this thing is a beast. And if you're looking for a durable beast for those heavy duty activities, you can't possibly go wrong with this. You should definitely look into the pricing. There's a link down below. There might even be a link right here on the screen. Either one works the same way. They're going to get you the best pricing that we have available right now. Remember to like the video, follow the channel if I've added some value here, and put in the comments, what is your favorite heavy drawer tool that you want to plug this thing in? For me, I've got a new setup out here with 2 refrigerators, so this is absolutely perfect for this, but maybe you have a space heater. I don't know. Put it in the comments. Let us know what you're using it for. Hope this was helpful. See you in that next video.